So right now, there's going to be some selling pressure, but I am not going to go short in the hole in the morning. It can come here and wash 500, but I'm going to be trying to bounce this above 480. Okay, this is still another 80 points higher. The pressure is going to be sell to the downside, but I don't want to shorten the hole when it already went down hard like that. Okay, so I can get dipped out here into this 500 level, 40 points lower, but I'm looking for some kind of bantering here, possibly looking to go up to this at least a 76.4 level, 21591. Okay, with a huge 300 point sell like this, I wouldn't be surprised if it retraces at least up to the 61.8 today. Okay, and if we have the strength to retrace 50%, then I'll be very, very careful at the 50% level here. I'm looking for some kind of stabilization here. Okay, in the open, stabilize. Even if they wash down here 500, 480, printed bearish, no problem. I'll be looking for some kind of reversal. I don't expect this to continue another 200-300 points lower from here. Now, I could be wrong, but that's my game plan. Okay, because I hate shorting down, just like in the gap downs, I hate shorting gap downs. I don't short gap downs, I look for reversals. So I'm going to take this here. 1, 2, 3. 3 contracts, $1,000. Follow the plan. Nice. Next account. Right now, I'm going to chase the momentum with 520, 510 this area in mind. They can dump back down. They don't have the momentum. They can chop around, and this account won't make it, but I'm going for the momentum right now. Going for the momentum pop. 76.4591, I think at least will hit. I could be wrong, but I think 76.4. I think 61.8 is quite likely with, huge drop like this, but it may not go straight up, okay? So be careful. If you're going to long here, they can dump, boom, one candle, we go down here and then whip back up. That's possible too, okay? Sovereign City, I rotate my accounts in different entries. So I always start with evals, first, second, third entry. Second and third entries are my funded. Sell this pop. Sell this pop. One more push. Sell one more in this push. We're about to approach 76.4, okay? We're about to approach 76.4. I think we punched through it. I think we'll retry. I think we'll try this 640 area, but maybe not in one straight up go, okay? After it gets there, be careful, because then you can start rejecting and do some dance, okay? So, but right now, as of right now, it hasn't hit 76.4 yet. I'm going to keep on holding my long. I'm going to hold my long idea until 61.8 fit retrace here, okay? Lock it in here. I'm out. Another $1,000 trade. Nice. Now I rotate. Let's see. All right, one more in. I'm going for the 61.8 area. I want him to hold above 571 right now. I want him to hold about this 570 level for the continuation move. But if you start seeing them with no momentum, they start going up, down, then you got to change your strategy. You cannot chase momentum. Right now, I'm chasing momentum because I'm expecting to go for the 61.8 area. Okay? But if they start doing dancing, then I got to stop chasing momentum and just do buy, dip, sell, rips, okay? Once we get to 61.8, be really careful, okay, guys? We can punch through the 50. At 50, be extremely careful. On big moves like this, when we hit the 50%, many times there's a reaction. I'm out. One contract, $400, I'm content. One more harder high up, I'm going to hit a funded really hard. One more straight up push in the 50%, overshoot, I'm going to hit my funded harder. I already got a couple contracts in. I'm expecting a reaction here at 50%. If it pumps through straight up at 38.2, I'll be so surprised, but don't think it can't happen. Don't think it can't pop straight up to 38.2. Don't think you can't do that. Mark, not right now. Right now it's 83% off, which is still pretty good with the code FSP, but back then they had a promo for 91% off. That's when also like Apex doing 90% off. Bullnox likes to copy like what Apex is doing. When they have 90%, they do 90%. Cover. Cover. Nice. $800. Next account. Buy long for the squeeze. There we go. Sell. Out. $900. This is a funded account. Dangerous move. But when I recognize, dude, they're not coming down, you gotta flip. You gotta flip. And I had my trigger on the close because they could reject. Come up here, reject. Now I'm not touching this funded again. Now I'm not touching this funded again. All right, this funded is good now. All right, guys, I'm gonna go in long on this 590 area looking for a pop. Very dangerous. This is counter trend. Counter trend. I know you, NQ. You try to trick me up here. No way. No way, Jose. Come on, man. Pop it up now. So many times I buy it up here, they dump me one more. Hey, I haven't nailed it yet. If I haven't closed the trade, I haven't nailed it yet. All right? If I haven't closed the trade, I haven't nailed it yet. Sell one. Come on, man. Now I'm looking for 640. Nice. Nice. What an entry. Who took that long with me there, man? Sell. Woo! 1100. 3 contracts. Narrated the whole thing, man. I'm gonna put this in the course. Be careful on the long entry. It's called one more drop. I'm gonna have to write that down and give it to you guys in the course. It's called a one more drop entry. I'm out of my short. Above 580, I think we pump. We got the bears involved. And now we get up here, 640 hold. We go to 700 and possibly 38 too. I flipped. Sell one. Sell one more. Out. Nice. 220. I'm going to trade this account still. I was down 300 on getting squeezed, but it instantly flipped and got long. I knew what they're doing here. All right, now this is green. I'm going to keep on trading this account because it's only 200 bucks. I'm going to wait for a hold. Come down a dip on 610. Get the bears again and then go. Look at that. I told you. What did I tell you guys? They print it one way and they go the other side. They do it all the time. All the time. They do it all the time. They print it one way and they go the other side. This is why they manipulate. I want to see one more pump into the 660 area. Nice! Out! $1,000, 2 contracts. Come on, man. First entry eval. Okay. Second entry eval got in there. Take profit. Come on, man. Pull it. Look at that squeeze, guys. I may get my funded if one more pop here. I think we reject here. I think we reject to this 690 area. They don't have to, though, guys. They don't have to. If they keep pumping, I'd probably have to stop shorting. Look at that. Straight up 580. This is 150 points straight up rip. Cover one. Cover one more. Cover one more. Cover one more. Cover one more. Holding 3. Holding 4. Come on, man. Cover one more. Where am I at? 3,000? 3,500? Okay. Come on, come on. Pull one more. Don't pop here. Be careful, guys. They hold here. We're going to 770. If they hold here. Another hard pop incoming. If they don't watch here. Be careful. I'm holding short. I already took 4 off. That was not a YOLO, Ahmed. That was a key level. I'd put in like 8 or 9 contracts because that was a key level. On a straight up like this, those are my... Like, these are the 80-90% probabilities that you're going to get where you put in your second and third entries. If you want a YOLO, you YOLO... I wouldn't even call it YOLO. I would call it full port. If you want a full port, because YOLO means you're just gambling without any kind of educated idea. But I don't YOLO. This is like straight up action. First entry got blown. Second entry stepped in. This is the entire strategy. This is the strategy. Execute it in front of your eyes today. Come on, one more pull. I'm going to cover one more. It's way too strong. They haven't dropped. They only dropped 20 points with this huge rip. So I only got 2 left. And I'm going to short one more here. Added. Added one more short. Cover on the drop. I think we go to the 680, 670 area. But eval is 30%. Yeah. Nice. Out. 50% consistency achieved. 4,500. 4,535, man. On any pops, I sell and short into it. I'm looking at the 770 as a temporary high. 778 is a 70-point pull. Down here, 680, 670. I'm going to hit this long a little bit harder. So we see that temporary high there, right? I just didn't short into it because I didn't have enough pop to short into it. Sell one. Sell one. Add one more. I think we pop here to 710. If not, I'll involve my second entry around this 760 area. Nice. Pass this account. Pass the account. So I'm going to go to do my diaper strategy. And I'm going to set some short orders here. Which I doubt will get hit, but we'll see. All right, floating up. Floating up. Take one short here with room to add.
Order canceled.
I still think the temporary high is this 770 fib here. Let me just redraw this fib here so it's closer. All right.
Order canceled.
Head and shoulders you see here. I mean, patterns work okay, but mainly when I trade NQ is I look at the manipulation levels. If your patterns line up with manipulation levels, then yeah, like for example, head and shoulders right here looks like it, but NQ can just pump right through it. Like here, boom, we're at 750. So it could work here and it can drop, but what I would like to see in, like for example, if you think this is an inverted head and shoulder, then I will like it if they go boom straight up, like go up and an instant reject. That kind of manipulation, that kind of sweep, they call it confluence, right? Kind of like two things come together, right? I like this drop. And cover one here, 200 bucks, nice.